Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Binance Web3 Wallet. Since my account is new, I won't be able to show you a step-by-step walkthrough just yet, but I'll make sure this guide is as clear and helpful as possible. So let's start. But first, let's understand what it means to restore Binance Web3 Wallet. Your wallet doesn't actually store your crypto, it just holds the private keys that let you access your funds on the blockchain. When you restore a wallet, you're essentially reloading those keys to regain access to your assets. This process is quick and secure, so provided you have your recovery phrase or private key handy. So the first thing that you're going to do is to launch the Binance Wallet browser extension or mobile app that you have. Next, simply go to Web3. Then once you're there, if you already have a wallet connected but want to restore an old wallet or Web3, click the small arrow next to your current wallet name. This will show a menu with wallet options. Next, click the plus icon to start adding a new wallet, which is we're trying to add your old wallet. So next, click the plus icon to start adding a new wallet. You'll be prompted to enter your seed phrase. This is a 12 or 24 word recovery phrase you saved when setting up your wallet. Make sure to type each word carefully, separated by spaces and in the correct order. Once your seed phrase is verified, create a new strong password to secure your restored wallet. That's it. Your old wallet will now be restored, and you can switch between wallets anytime using the menu. Make sure you have your recovery phrase safely stored before starting this process. Without it, you won't be able to restore your wallet. And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.